just wanna make things right.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Clarice. How you all are doing today? I hope you all are great. I'm feeling great because I decided to do this Senegalese rope twist. So I've been wanting to do this twist, like it's been on my agenda for a while now, and I decided to do my own rope twist. So in today's video, as you all can see, my hair is just pre-stretched. So I did wash my hair and I added some of my cream of nature coconut hydrating curling cream. I did add that to my hair to give my hair a little added moisture. So my hair is really short. If you all are accustomed watching me, I did my big chop like about 2 weeks ago. So this is the results of it, like 2 weeks after. So I'm going to just use some of my hair growth oil on my scalp. As you all just saw, I rubbed that in, making sure that my ends are really nice and moisturized. So I'm just going to begin by making a part on each side of my hair. I'm going to start with the front section first. I'm just going to like part my hair into 3 sections, 2 in the front, and I'm just going to leave the back as it is. So I decided to work with the front section of my hair first when I begin my twist. I believe that it's a lot easier for me, but you all can work with the back or the front, any section that you all believe will be better for you all to begin your twist. So I did got a little bit lazy when I did my twist. I watched TV and stuff, so it took me like 4 hours to complete. But if you are like doing it like regular, it might take like 2 hours and a half. So the hair I'm going to be using, it's the pre-stretched braid. It's the 3 times Ghana braid. It's in 50 inches. Also it's in the color 1B, and it has like 3 pieces of hair in the back. So I did use like about 2 packs to complete my style. Also my ledge jam and my Maurice beeswax. So I'm going to begin my first twist, and I just make a section or part a little section on each end. So this is how big my twists are going to be. I didn't wanted the jumbo twist. I decided to do mine a little bit smaller, so it took me a little bit longer. So I'm going to use my Maurice beeswax, and I'm gonna make sure that my ends are saturated also with my Maurice beeswax, also to help seal in my natural hair and the extensions. I'm going to be using my ledge jam for that. As you can see, the method I'm going to be using today is the rubber band method. So to begin my first twist, I just split my natural hair in 2 using my Maurice beeswax, and I added my braiding hair. So a quick tip to finish a lot faster, if you want your hairstyle to not take too long, you all can section your braiding hair beforehand. So it's a lot easier and a lot faster whenever you begin your rope twist. At the beginning of my twist, I twist a lot tighter to make sure that my natural hair and my braiding hair are really close and look really natural when my twists are all done. To help to seal in my natural hair and my braiding hair together, I'm going to use some ledge jam to the ends of my hair, because as I mentioned before, I did my big chop, so my ends are really like blunt. So to help seal in my natural hair and the braiding hair, I'm going to be using my ledge jam to the ends of my natural hair, and I'm going to begin my twist. So it really took me like about 4 hours, guys, because I decided to watch TV. I got a little bit bored while doing my style, and I got a little bit distracted. So it took me like 4 hours. But if you all are doing it on your own time and you all are just doing it without like any distractions, it's gonna be like an hour and a half to like 2 hours max. So this hairstyle is a really creative way to protect your natural hair. Also the rubber band method, this method that I'm using, it's really great for your protective style. It's perfect for protecting your hair from the pulling and tugging of your natural hair, and I try to minimize tension on my scalp as much as possible. So this method I find to be really helpful for that, because it's not actually pulling on your natural hair. So this method is perfect. It's really a great, easy, simple protective style. So I decided to do my twist on the smaller side, and I was like debating on big, small, jumbo, small, and I decided to do it this way. And it only took me like 2 packs to complete my entire head. So it lasted me like 2 weeks, guys. When I did this protective style, it lasted me like 2 weeks, especially at night time before I go to bed. To further protect my twist, I also used my sleeping cap and my do-rag, and I tied down my hair. I also forgot to mention to you guys that I did add some of my hair oils to my rubber bands. So make sure that your rubber bands are oiled or have some type of moisture added to them. So as you can see, I'm on to my 4th one, and I'm basically going to be doing the same thing that I did for my first twist. Using my Murray's edge wax, I'm going to apply that to my natural hair, and I'm also going to split my natural hair in 2. Using my braiding hair, I'm going to apply that into the middle. Also, I'm going to add my rubber bands. It's a great way to protect your natural hair, as I mentioned in the beginning, and I just tighten my natural hair and the braiding hair together. I'm also going to be using my shine and jam to help seal in that moisture from the ends of my hair, and I begin my twist. You can use any type of braiding hair that you have on hand if you can't find the pre-stretch, but any type of braiding hair works fine. Another thing about this hair is that it tends to unravel, so to prevent any of that happening to your twist, make sure that you twist all the way down to the ends. Make sure that the ends of your braiding hair are also not blunt, and it can twist all the way down and seal really properly. So it prevents it from unraveling, and making sure that you don't have to like do over your twist. So make sure that you twist all the way down to the end like I'm doing here, and sealing it. So also the hot water does that job. It seals the ends of the hair as well. I'm on to the last one of my twist to the front section of my hair, and as you can see, I did split my natural hair in 2. I'm also going to be using some of my beeswax to further control any frizz from my natural hair. Apply my braiding hair in the middle of that, and apply my rubber band as well, and do my twist. When I'm doing my twist, I make sure that it's really nice and tight, and I twist all the way down to prevent any type of unraveling from my braiding hair. To seal in my natural hair and the braiding hair, I also use some shine and jam to the ends of my hair as well. It really helps to disguise your natural hair and the braiding hair really nicely. So I love using my shine and jam whenever I'm doing any type of twist. It does seal in my ends and make everything really nice and uniform. So I'm all done with my twist. I'm literally dancing right now. So I'm all done with my twist. It's done, it's complete. So to further seal in the ends of my hair, I'm going to be using some of my hot water to seal in the ends of my twist, and my wash rag to soak up any moisture left from my hot water. So don't skip this step, guys. It really prevents the hair from unraveling. So make sure and use your hot water at the end of your twist. So I just decided to do my edges using my Eco Style. I'm just going to neaten up the front of my hair a little bit more from any type of flyaways. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this twist, how it turned out. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Support your sis. Comment down below your thoughts, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos.